Hi, welcome to Math to the Power of Science. Today we'll be talking about what light is. There are many different kinds of light other than visible light. There are radio waves, microwave, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, and gamma rays. The length of most visible light is half of a thousandth of a meter, or 500 nanometers. Also, as you go from radio waves to gamma rays, the wavelength of the light decreases. The energy that this light has actually increases as the wavelengths get smaller. All of this light is existing because of one thing, a changing electric source. Let's take an electron for instance. If an electron is wiggling because it has energy, because it has mass, that means that it's changing the electric field, and a change in electric field produces a magnetic field, and that produces light. But let's look at the electron as a bobber in water. As the bobber goes down, it pushes the water up. Then the water creates waves. If a leaf happens to be in the wake of this wave, then the leaf will bob up and down like the bobber and will actually produce its own waves. If you look at electrons, this means that if an electron's wiggling, it can wiggle another electron because of the light it produces. Now let's go back to the increasing energy as waves get smaller. This is because the electron has to move really fast to get the smaller wavelengths because they're both traveling at the same speed. Because the electron has to move so much faster, it has more energy. This means that any electron it moves it faster and with more energy. This means that the electron has more of a chance to bump into something. This effect can actually cause you to get tanner because the electrons in your skin move around and jostle up your DNA. But your body wants to block that, so it produces melanoma, which darkens your skin and protects you from light. Now that we know all of this, we can safely assume that light is just a transfer of energy from one thing to another, in most cases, electrons. Well, now we know what light is, but we still don't know what it is made out of. Well, I guess that's a topic for another day. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below or suggest a topic for a future video. If you like what you saw, please subscribe.